Hi friends, I saw this robot going around in the airport and I think it's helping to clean the floor in the airport.
Please step out of the way. 请人将同狗请让好。조금씩 지나갈 수 있도록 길을 비고 있네요.
Hi friends, right now I'm in Narita Airport and I'm going to try the McDonald's products here. First I want to show you what I have. This is the French fries, this is Coke Zero, this is the New York beef with potato, this is the chocolate pie, and this is the strawberry pie. So these are the things that I will be eating, trying, and I'll let you know how it tastes. So first we'll try the strawberry. It's vanilla ice cream. We'll try it with the strawberry. The corn is good, it's tasty, and the strawberry is very strong, and because it's only at the edges, it's dripping very fast. There are small pieces of strawberry in that soup. The vanilla ice cream is just like a regular ice cream. It's actually a good. The ones we used to serve in the Philippines is better than the vanilla ice cream here. We'll get sanitizer, then we'll pray. We'll try the fries. The fries they have here is thinly sliced. It is very crispy. Next we'll try the burger. This is how it looks. There's a bun, cheese, there's the potato, the patty, and then the other bun. There's ketchup in between. No, it's not ketchup. It's a different sauce. It's very juicy, it's very creamy. The burger patty is also very soft and moist. But it's not so juicy, so this is a good burger. If you ever see this in Japan, try it. Next we'll try this strawberry pie. Looks like this. The pie crust is crunchy outside and very soft inside. The strawberry custard is lightly flavored. The strawberry pudding is good, but I don't like the crust of the pie. Next we'll try the chocolate one. It has a rich chocolate flavor. It has the same pie crust, except that the flavor is different. This is chocolate, the other one was strawberry. There's some nuts also inside, together with the cream. This chocolate pie is better than the strawberry pie. Not try this when you see this in McDonald's in Japan. So the burger I bought is really good. Try that. Plus the chocolate pie. It's a burger meal that I ordered, so there's fries with it and also Coke Zero. So the fries is no longer hot, but it's still firm. It's not bending. Sana po ay nagustuhan nyo ang ating video. Kung nagustuhan nyo po ang ating video, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell para ma-update kayo sa mga current videos ko. So until my next video, this has been Lorraine reminding you that God loves you. Bye-bye!